So we were getting a show over here. So there's a fountain over here. And he shoots water at little kids. Here, we'll sneak to the side. There's a guy that actually uses it, and then he'll tell jokes and shoot water. Check this out.
What a surprise! I mean, wow, you totally blindsided me. I had no idea you were going to ask me that. What a wow, out of nowhere. You believe this guy? No, you never met him. Oh my! I say you guys must be related.
He's got a lot of jokes.
Oh, easy, X-23. Oh, yay, you said please stop having to be asked. I love that kid now. So those of you just arriving, do you guys like water?
Yeah.
Well, if you don't want to get splashed, you can just stay outside the circle. If you're looking down and the rocks are wet, then you would be too. It's basically a good rule of thumb. All right?
Here we go. He's gonna shoot him.
You three soaking wet kids. Just go ahead and start waving your hands in the magical way around in there. And you start with the magic word. Count to 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh! That's funny. They're gonna be mad. Ah! And that is how you get soaking wet. Look at that. That's funny. Yeah, they're in swimsuits. They're ready to get wet. And that is what happens. He is just gonna shoot water. Look at these kids soaking wet. Oh, look at that. Never saw that before. Here we go. And he just keeps shooting water. So this is a fun thing for the kids. He's not always talking, but it is fun when he is here. Oh, look at that. It is super fun. I mean, these kids don't care about getting wet. Congratulations. Woo! So anyways,